lot of arc flash with our employees and lacerations. So we had probably way too many foreign bodies in the eye, way too many lacerations. We were looking for something to protect our employees. They did a lot of welding out there. We have employees that weld 8 hours a day. So we were basically just using a welding helmet, and we thought, you know what, we needed to protect their respiratory system a little bit better. So we were looking at different types of respirators, PAPRs. We looked at numerous companies. We tested different PAPRs out of different companies, which is the Purified Air Respirator System. And 3M was probably by far the best that we had used and tested. And we were testing with the employees, and the employees said the 3M is, the Advlo system was the best one. One of the advantages also of this PAPR system is the reduction in foreign bodies to the eye. Prior to wearing the PAPR system, we just wore safety glasses, and the guy was required to go put a grinding shield on. Well, a lot of times he might only been doing 10 seconds of grinding, so he didn't go get his shield. Well, I know for a fact that was a lot of our foreign bodies. Since we've gone to the PAPR system, we've reduced our foreign bodies by at least 70%. Would I recommend the 3M PAPR? Absolutely. I mean, this is a system for us that has been, like I said, it's hard to put a dollar amount on how much it's probably saved us in workers' compensation costs, and probably in the long run, the welfare of our employees.